Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I really appreciate you joining me today, and I have Grove. Do you Grove? I do. Grove is Grove Collaborative. It is a household online marketplace where you can buy lots of cleaning products, health products, vitamins, great skincare, things for your pets and your babies, all with natural, eco-friendly, environmentally friendly products. Most all their products are made with all natural ingredients, and a lot of them have essential oils that they use. So there is a lot of advantages to Grove, and if you haven't visited Grove yet and or purchased, then I would check into it. Now there is a free starter set that you get with the minimum purchase, and I will have that information in my description, but you do get a nice little starter set. So if you've never Grove and you would be interested in switching over your chemical related products to natural, more essential oil type and safer for your family and your pets, then you can check that out and make a minimum purchase. I want to say it's $25 or $30, and then you get this free kit that may be worth $40 or $50 value. I'm not sure of the value, but I did get my box, and I got it in October actually. It says scary good stuff inside. So that is their message. They always send a little message out, a handwritten one. Sometimes it's more personal. It might have my name on it, and this time it did not, which is fine. And we know this came in October, but it is November, and I'm going to share what I purchased. And I am a VIP, and what that means is I pay $19.99 a year, and I get free shipping with each of my monthly orders. Now with your monthly orders, you can choose whatever you want and or what you need. If you don't need laundry detergent that month, you can just simply take it out of your cart. They will put items in your cart based on what they think you should, how you should use it up. But if you haven't used it up and it's not something you're interested in, just remove it. You do want to check that before your monthly shipment to make sure you're getting what you want, and you can add anything that you need. You do get a free gift if you ship now. Like, so say your shipment's going to ship on November 10th and you want to ship it on November 8th. If you ship now, there is a ship now free gift, and it is usually anywhere from a $7 to $10, sometimes more, value that you can try something else out. With a VIP, you also get 5 to 7 free gifts during the year, and I think there is going to be a free gift in this box that I chose, and you get to choose. They don't just give you whatever. They give you 5 or 6 selections, so you can choose and try something. And the value ranges of this runs anywhere from $16, $17 all the way up to in the 30s, depending on what you're choosing and depending what they have to offer. And they also offer a $5 credit if you'd rather just have money off on your order. So they give you lots of options, and during the year they have special things going on. So it's really quite the nice little subscription. Now what did I order? Well, I ordered things that I use on a regular basis, and I was running low on my Method fabric softener, and this usually runs around $6 to $7, and I'll have the prices up here because I don't remember everything off the top of my head. Now I also got the laundry detergent, and it looks like I accidentally ordered Fresh Air, which I normally wouldn't do, so I would need to check with that, because as you could see I got Beach Sage, and I will have to double check to see if I just made an error, because they do give you options, like you can get it, I think, in sage scent, and I want to say like an orangey type scent. I'm not real sure, but if this is not what I ordered, I would be able to contact them, let them know that I got the wrong one, and they'll reship and or give me credit. But if I did order this by mistake, that's quite alright, because I used to get the Fresh Air scent, and Method works really good. This lasts a long time too. The products, I would have to say I probably only have to order that every 2 to 3 months based on how much laundry, of course, that I'm doing here. Some of you may have to do more if you've got kids in the house, and I understand that. Now, this is also something I order on a regular basis, and I can tell you this jar, the Method laundry detergent is about $13.99. Dr. Bonner's whole kernel virgin coconut oil is, for this large jar, which is 30 fluid ounces, is $24.99. Now, I use this every day. My husband uses it every day. He has Parkinson's disease, and unfortunately, that's a nasty little disease, but the coconut oil and this virgin coconut oil, he puts about a teaspoon of it in his coffee every day, and it helps with the brain as far as memory. It helps with making snap decisions, and what I mean by that is sometimes as you age, your brain cells need food, and this has I think it's the MCT fats that you need for that. So this is good health-wise for that, and there's been some studies that it's good for Alzheimer's, but I don't have any conclusive proof of any of that. I just know that we use it for that. You can cook with this in any situation where it calls for oil. You can pop popcorn in it. It does have a nutty coconut flavor, but it doesn't taste like coconut. It's more like it has a nutty flavor, so kind of buttery. It is good. We like it, and like I said, I use it now anytime it calls for oil, and I too put a teaspoon in my coffee because, hey, I want to keep my brain as sharp as possible. My next items I'm going to show you are items that I got for free. So every month they'll have, when you go on their site, just put in free samples, and they have free samples that you can click and get for free. And I got some Tea Tree Smoothing Hydration Hair Mask, and I'm looking forward to looking at this. This is by Soapbox, and it says it's a restore your daily scalp and hair to refreshing, hydrated with invigorating properties of tea tree. And I can tell you right now, this is a lot in here. I don't know how many ounces are actually in here, but I'll be able to use this 2, maybe 3 times. So there's quite a bit of product for free to try out. The next item I got for free was when you hit ship now. As I was explaining earlier, I got me some Grove hydrating hand soap. Now this usually runs around $4.99 to $6.99 depending if it's on sale or not, and they had it in the orange rosemary fragrance, and it's 100% natural, as you can see. And I don't know if I mentioned that on my method, but it also is 100% natural. It's plant-based, and it is HE. Same way with the fabric soft, but this is all essential oils. It's sustainably powerful for a healthy home and planet. And they're getting away from plastic, so they use these nice little tin aluminum cans. And like I said, I did get that for free. I also was able to pick up another peach. This is the brand Bask in the Glow of Beautiful Tomorrow with this moisturizing hand and body bar. And this is just a nice little hand soap that you can it smells good. You can have out by your sink. You can give away as a little gift if you're putting a little spa package together. It's just very cute, and they usually have free samples, like I said, all the time. Now, this was my fall, I think it was my fall quarterly free gift choice. And this time I got elderberry force. You can use elderberry if you're having like a cold or you feel the signs of colds. You can use it to boost your immunity. And this was like a $27 or $28 value. And it's got 30 capsules in there. It's non-GMO, it's vegan free, cruelty free. And on the back side it tells you that you take 1 capsule a day, and it has the black elderberry in there of 335 milligrams, and it has black currant to go with it, and that is 50 milligrams. And like I said, this is a dietary supplement, but it is used to boost your immune. And they have lots of different vitamins and products on there if you're interested. I know I've bought their probiotics, I've gotten their collagen. They've got several different ones, and they're all natural. But this was my free gift, and that was almost a $30 value. So in free value, I got about $35 not counting these little free samples. And I don't know how much those would be. Let's just say 2 of them would be $5 worth. I don't know. So I got about $40 in free. But that's all I got from Grove today. What do you think? Have you ever considered using coconut oil not only to fry and cook up things, but also for your health? You could also use this for your dogs, like for their skin coats if they're having some dry patchy skin, and or if you're having some dry patchy skin, you can put it on there and in your hair. If you're having a dry scalp, so I mean, coconut oil can do a lot of things. And of course, Method is my favorite laundry detergent, and their Method fabric softener. Now I do like the beach sage scent best, and I will check on that, but I'm not overly concerned. We'll use it. But today, that's all I have for Grove. And if you have any questions, be sure and let me know down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you have a favorite product here, let me know what it is. My favorite out of all of this is going to be 2 things. I love the coconut oil, and I look forward to trying out this elderberry force, build up my immune system against colds and other, flu and other things that you can get this winter. But as for today and Grove Collaborative, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.